Hi students, in this video you will going to learn about some important MS Word page formattings. Perhaps one of the most important things you can learn in MS Word is how to format your page with elements such as margins and page breaks. Formatting your pages makes them look more attractive and makes them easier to read. These formats are mainly used in newspaper companies and book publishing companies. Okay, now let's see page formatting. What is page formatting? Page formatting is the layout of the page when it is printed on a printer. It includes page size, page orientation, page margins, and header and footer, etc. Let's see one example. How to open MS Word document? Go to Start menu option, click that and click All Programs. Then click Microsoft Office. In there, Microsoft Office Word is available. Click that. Document screen is available. In screen, you are seeing 3-page Word document. When we create a new document, we start typing using the default settings for page size, orientation, margins, and other options. Now I am going to explaining page formatting. Here at the top and the left side there is one line with numbers. This is called ruler bars. To change the left margin settings, place the mouse pointer on the left margin boundary of the horizontal ruler bar. Then drag the margin marker to the desired location. On the ruler bars, the shaded parts indicates the margin. Margins are the amount of white space between the text and the edge of the page on all four sides. Now click page layout. There is the option margin, orientation, size, columns are available. The margin used to set the margin of the page. Once we set the margin, it will provide some space in here. Now I click margin and normal. It allows some space at the four sides of the document. Now click this corner button of the page layout. Page setup dialog box is open now. In there, click the margin option. There is more options like top, left, bottom, right. Okay. Top is used to set the top margin, and again left is used to set the left margin, just like that bottom and right margins. Now you click the top button and bottom button or left and right button. In your preview at the bottom there is one preview option that will be changed alternatively. Look at the screen. Now I change the left margin. In the left side of the preview will changed, and right right of right side of the margin will be changed. Then click OK. Look at the screen, document screen. This will be changed like this. In this way you will change the margin of the document using the page layout. Next one is page size. This will use to set the size of the paper and orientation. Click the size in page layout. There is lot of options like letters, A3, A4. There is one small button under the page layout. Click there. The dialog box is open now. Click the paper option. In there, the paper size is available. If you want to print the document in A4 sheet, then select A4. I am selecting letter option. Then click OK. In this way, we change the page size. Okay, right? Understand? This is all about page size and page margin.